Hello guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to get free gems and coins in Archero. As you can see gems and coins in my account. I will get unlimited free them in just a few minutes. Let me show you. First you need to open your browser and go to newtweaks.top. Here on the website, choose the game you want to hack. I choose Archero. Now you have to type in your Archero account in your platform. Press connect. Choose amount of gems and coins you want. To complete the process, you need to install 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. Usually just need keep it running for about 30 seconds. So what you need to do now is download 2 of these apps, start it up. You need to start the app and running apps at least 30 seconds. If it doesn't work on the first try, just try again with a different app. And now let's check your Archero account. You can see that my account had gems and coins. I hope you got your gems and coins as well with the help of this tutorial. And just remember to follow all the instructions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it works for you.